Hello children, how are you? Today myself Varun Sharma, I am telling you about the area related to circle chapter 10, class 10th class, chapter 12, area related to circle. Okay, dear students, in earlier previous class you know very well so many circular figures you have to see in your daily life, fan, wheel, okay. So you are playing with circular figures you have to see in 9th standard also. So now let's see, this is very easy topic, area related to circle. So first of all I want to tell you what is area. Yes, what is the area? See, many students are saying area dotted line. Okay, a closed figure they are saying. It is two dimension, no doubts. But you must know what is the definition exact. Area, you can see path of the circular things. Yeah, definition. The points move in a plane. The points move in a plane such that its distance from fixed point always constant. Again, see beta, what is the area? What is the circle? This is the definition of the circle. P be any moving points. You know very well 2D figure. This is the points. P points move in a point. A point move in a plane such that its distance. Whose distance? Moving point distance from fixed points always constant. That is known as the circle. So I hope clear the definition. Circle is the path of the moving points. Circle is the path. The points move on a path such that its distance from fixed point. Fixed point means center. From the center are always constant. That is known as the circle. Now it is clear. Now some important formulae which you are learned in this chapter. Okay, first formula number 1. This is the circle, this is the center, and this is radius. Okay, what is the area of circle? Area of circle. Area means interior part. Interior part of the circle. So area of circle, you know, pi r square. What is the circumference? Circumference of circle. This is 2 pi r, or you can say pi into diameter. Pi into diameter is also circumference of the circle. Circumference means length of the boundary. That is known as circumference. Okay, let's see the question. Question, which type question will ask in the exam? MCQ based question. If radius is application, I want to tell you simultaneously how to apply the formula. When question will come, suppose radius is 7 centimeter. Anyone ask you, what is the area of circle? Area of circle is equal to pi r square. This is the formula. Now put here 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 to 7 cancel. So calculate 157 to the 14, 22, 7 the 154 centimeter square. This is the area of circle. So I hope children, first formula clear everyone, how to find area of circle. Okay children, first formula application you have to clear, how to find the area of circle pi r square, and its application you understood. Now second formula, what is the circumference of the circle? If radius is given, suppose 7 centimeter, now how to find circumference? So circumference is equal to pi r. or you can say pi into diameter. Both are the same. Diameter, what is the diameter? You know very well, diameter is the twice the radius. So we can put here value. Now putting the value 2 into diameter is pi 22 by 7, radius is 7. Now 7 to 7, 2 pi r. Pi value is 22 by 7. Now 44 centimeter, that is the circumference of circle. So I hope clear two formulae and its application. Now we will come to third formula. Okay, let's come to next point, beta. What is the length of arc? AB is the arc, O is the center, and this arc subtended by theta. Theta is any angle. Theta is 5 degree, 20 degree, 100 degree, 120 degree, any angle. So which angle? AB, length of arc cut by theta degree at the center. So how to find area of sector? Area of sector. What is the area of sector and length of arc? दोनों में difference check कीजिएगा. Length of arc. Length of arc AB length 2 pi r theta by 360. And area of sector pi r square theta by 360. This length is known as boundary part. Length of arc. So this arc subtended at angle theta. Then formula is length of arc 2 pi r theta by 360. These two formulae now we will learn its application. A circle is given. This is the circle. Radius 7 centimeter, 20 centimeter, anything. O is the center, 60 degree angle. So this inner portion, that is known as area of sector. Now again listen beta. Area of sector, the region bounded by radii and length of arc. Area bounded by radii and length of arc, that is known as the sector. Sometimes it will be major sector, minor sector, so no need to confuse. Very simple. Area bounded by radii and length of arc. So area of circle you know very well. Area of pi r square theta by 360. Then it comes area of sector. Area of sector pi r square theta by 360. Then putting the value here. What is the pi? 22 by 7. What is the radius? 7 into 7. Then 60 by 360. Now you can calculate. How to calculate? 61 ja 6 ja 7 to 7 cancel. 2 3 ja 2 11. So 77 by 3 centimeter square. You know very well in previous video area is always in square unit. So your answer is 77 by 3 centimeter square. So this is how to find area of the sector. This is the formula application. Okay beta. Now next, how to find length of arc? Length of arc. Same question. AB is the length of arc. How to find? Apply the formula 2 pi r theta by 360. Now 222 by 7. This is the pi value. You know earlier classes pi 3.14 and 22 by 7. If it is mentioned, then apply 3.14. If it not given, you can apply 22 by 7. Into radius 7, 60 by 360. This is the application. How to use the formula in the question. So length of arc. First apply the formula 2 pi r theta by 360. Putting the value 7 to 7 cancel. 1 ja 6 ja 2 3 ja. So this is 22 by 3 centimeter. This is the length of arc AB. So I hope application these two formula also. Now next we will apply the next formula. Okay. Okay, yes, my dear, we have discussed how to find area of circle, area of sector, length of arc. Now we will find the area of triangle in circle. This is a circle. This is a chord. Chord divides circle in two parts, and this is the center. How to find area of triangle in circle? So formula is area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Same formula, but here we can write half r square sin theta. Now putting the value half. If radius is suppose r is equal to 7 centimeter or 10 centimeter, this is your choice. You can write 7, 10, 20, anything. So 10 into 10 into sine 60 degree. Okay, in trigonometric, what is the value of sine 60? The answer is root 3 by 2 into 10 into 10, 100 divided by 2. So what is the answer? 100 root 3 by 4. 4 cut is 25. Now 25 by root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle. So my dear, this is the formula how to find area of triangle in a circle. Half r square sin theta. Now putting the value, we got. And further you can explain more also. Root 3 you can putting the value 1.73. 1.732. This is the root 3 value and multiply it by 25 centimeter square, and you can left here also. This is the same answer. So this how to find area of the triangle in the circle. Now next formula we will discuss how to find major and minor segment. Okay, now dear students, how to find what is the segment? See the figure. This is a circle and this is chord. Chord divides circle in two parts. One is the major, one is the minor. If chord, what is the longest chord? Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So diameter divides circle in two equal parts. Okay, but here is the chord which divide in two parts.